let's take a look at a trade I made in gold. I mean, I'm sorry, in crude oil. So crude uh, 30 minutes is right here. So you have the December 23, 2021. So you see here that there's some congestion right before the market opens. So at 7:30 you have this high and this low. So there's Darvas painted right here. Still, we are in an upward move. So you see that the market is in crude oil wants to go higher. Um, right here at 6:30 a.m., the moving averages are stacked to the upside, and we have the 50 simple moving average down below, and all the moving averages are stacked. So there's a break right here that we could take advantage of if that would happen. And then came back. Market came back right here. Let me open it so we have better focus. So we're in the to the upside, and this is where the action happened, right? So you have a higher high right here compared to this one, and then came down, touched the 50 EMA, and then went and back up. Okay, so there's a couple of opportunities here. Again, this is a congestion area. If you see here, there are some trades I made, probably mistake, but so the really clean one is this one right here. You see, there's an entry right there, right above this high right here, or about that same high at 73.26, and then I closed it right at this candle. At the top of this candle. So that was a nice trade. So let's see what happened in the entry chart. So here it is. Here it is where we were kind of in this choppy area. So 8 a.m. Came, and so there's a high there. If we see the um, to the left, we will see that there is a high here at 73.27. Then 73.26, it didn't meet, and then 73.27 was right there. So riskier, but I took this trade. Let me move it to the left right here so we can see the prices. And let me open this a little bit. So you see there's an entry here at 73.14 right there, one tick above that week out of this moving average. Then it went bad, so it went it went south. That one is let me check something in my registry. Okay, so yeah, this one was a $200 loss. Entered at 73.14 and sold at 73.04. The two lots, so $200 loss there. Then this one here, I entered it when it was going out of this prior close. So I took it right there, and this one was good for two targets. So the first one is 73, when $100 is 73.16, right there, 73.16. And then the second one I let it run, and it was stopped at 73.18. So this one is actually not. So this one was $220 up, so 73.18 from 73.04. 206. So $220 right there. Then it came back down, give me another week out of the cloud, and also um, on the movie on the this moving average, and then it went up right there, and then came back. So I moved the stop, came back to me, so I sold it right there when this candle or this break closed lower than this one. So it's $140 loss. Okay, and then the last one here. The last one here, there's probably a little bit of variance here in this price. Really, I don't have it registered that well. Then the last one came here. So let me see. Let's look at where it is. So see, there's a high here, and that high is about that same high right there. So it was breaking, and then I took this one right here in the support. We're taking a little bit of more risk, but there was a higher high, and so I thought that it was a good way to enter, especially because this was the prior high from the prior day, right? So I have this indicator right here, prior high right there, and it's also prior high at 73.16. So 73.17 is where I took it. 73.17 was good for one target. I left the stop below this here, and it didn't touch it, so it kept going. Normally, if when I hit the first target, I move the stop to that price. And this time I didn't do it because I was expecting it to move higher, just because I was looking at also the 30 minutes, and this 73.17 was kind of like a good entry, and I didn't want to miss that one. So I took a little bit of more risk in there. Let me go back. And this one was good for until it went down. So sold right there at that price. So I wait for two closes, and then surely enough came back down all the way to the cloud and touched the cloud and bounced again. But I didn't took that one. So this trade here was $390 for the second target and $100 for the first target, so $490. Yeah, so those are the trades for crude oil, and this one. Well, let me validate. I think that this one was like $300 total. I don't have it in front of me, but I'm gonna put it in the when I upload the video in YouTube. All right. So those are the trades for crude. We have actually 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in crude, profitable, fortunately profitable as well. Thank you for watching.